everybody, it's Sam here, and today I'm going to use my fabulous flip. This is the 6x6 set, and I'm going to use it with the new Baked Delights stamp and die set. So you've got goodies galore and Baked Delights. Lots of you will recognise some of these images here. We've just added in a few extras, and then you've got this new set here where you've got some really fun images. You've got the cute little croissant there, you've got your jammy Dodger style biscuits, you've got your stack of cookies, stack of pancakes, you've got your big speech bubble here, and all of these sentiments will fit inside. They're really nice sized stamps as well. If I just show you the actual sets here, so you can see, like, it's a really nice big size stamp set there, and obviously that speech bubble you can put other sets in as well, and you can see how big the croissant there is, and the other one's the bourbon biscuit. Really fun set. So I've already gone ahead, like with all of my videos, I get everything cut and then I'll just talk you through what it is that you need to do. So I've cut myself here the main frame, so this die, I've cut it in the blue colour here, which is, this one is the sparkling blue colour. I did say when I reviewed these cards, the cardstock, it's gorgeous, really lovely. I'm thoroughly enjoying using it, but this isn't sparkling. So yeah, just to let you know there, if you're expecting a glitter or anything in it, it isn't, but it's called sparkling blue. So that's the one that I've used. I did also use the pink, which is this one, the euphoric pink, but well, it's underneath, it's just there, but I've decided to use that for the card, one of the layers, and then I thought that blue popped really nicely against it, and then I've used those colours in the images that I've coloured in. So again, any theme, any colour, you can do this, but two you want to cut anyway in the frame there and stick them together. I always use my construction glue. This is Calcott construction glue, and that way you've got a nice strong, this is a really strong piece that you're going to be able to move. So if you're not layering them up, then you definitely want to be using at least a 300 GSM. Then you want to cut yourself two of this one here if you want to do all four of the flips. You can though just do half of this. I have got that on the playlist, I believe. And also Gemma on Gemma Lee Crafts, she's my DT. She has lots of made to surprise tutorials over there as well. So if you're not subscribed to Gemma's channel, check that one out, and you'll see her cards as well, because she does do, like I said, a lot of them over there. Okay, so I have cut two of them. These are the mats and layers for this, but I didn't bother using them because I've stamped and coloured directly onto these pieces. So that's everything you'll need from the set. And then I'm just going to go over, did I go over the score lines? No, I didn't. I always like to go over the score lines. You'll see them on here. They're probably not picking up well on the camera, but there's little score lines just here. And then you've got one that goes right down the side there. And then again, it just makes it easier to fold, and you're less likely to get any cracking. So I coloured all of these images using my coloured pencils, and I think it's actually, yeah, that is going to be the front. And then when it flips over, it will reveal those images. So calories don't count today. It says, hope your birthday is full of cake and candles, and then calories don't count today. So with all of these, you want to just fold and burnish all of those lines. These are going to fold up. Just fold them all both ways, because it is going to move. These all act as like a hinge, so they will fold in both directions. You'll also see I've added my accent glaze onto like the eyes, and I added some Nuvo drops onto the sprinkles there as well. You can do it when you put it all together, but I was preparing all of these ready to film, so I got all of that done beforehand. Now I did have this piece of pattern paper, but I'm now thinking I'm not going to use it, and I might pop that inside the card and instead just have these right on here with that pink popping. I think that's going to look good. So what you want to do first of all, take the one I'm going to stick on the left hand side here, and I'm going to run some glue just inside each of these little tabs. I always like to lay it down and then lay this over the top. Forget about the left side for now. All you're focusing on is these three areas, and you want to stick them behind the frame. And you just want to make sure that you've got an even, very thin little space around the right hand half of those squares. Make sure that's stuck down. And that is so that this can then move within that window. Okay, I'll show you that again with this one. Just a little glue. Make sure you've got your panel here on the left, or if you want it on the right you can, but just make sure they're both on the right. And again, ignore that part and just focus on the images and getting them in to the frame. And you just want that very thin little border, like so. And just flip it over and just check that's all in place, like so. And just give it a little test. It should fold right back when that glue's dry. Don't force it if it's still just attaching itself. There we go. And I've not long done a Christmas version of this on the top of a gift box. You'll be able to see that on the channel if you just scroll down a little bit. And yeah, it's just another fun way. You can have a gift card hidden underneath it. So yeah, other ways to use these as well. So next you're going to fold these over. And that way they're all concealed within the frame, like so. And then I'm going to run my glue all down the side here, again with this piece. And now I want to focus on this whole blue frame having a nice even border on the pink. Make sure this is folded down, same with that one. So see, I've got a nice pink frame there all the way around. I'm just going to make sure that that's all stuck down. Okay, so that's all secure. So you'll see now you can pull that, so you can have another hidden message here, gift cards, entirely up to you. I've then got this card blank here, which I just made, which is 6.5 by 6.5. This does go onto a 6 by 6. This whole frame, you just stick that onto your 6 by 6 card blank and it fits. But what I want to do with this one is have it on there, and then I'm going to add some white faux stitching all around on this piece, and then I'm going to add my sentiment as well in the middle. If you want to stamp your sentiment, you might want to do that before you attach the frame to the card, but I can still pop that in my stamping platform. And you can decorate the frame as well with other things, but you need to make sure that, for example, if you pop something there, then it's not going to lift up. So if you're going to decorate, you want something overhanging, you could stick something there, you could stick something in this corner here. So just, yeah, just check each time you're thinking to stick something down, is the actual, you know, flip's going to be able to move. I've then got my jelly roll here. This is size 10, and I love doing the faux stitching. Just little dashes all the way around. Okay, it doesn't take too long to dry, but you can see just adding that detail adds a little extra to it. And now for my sentiment, we've got sentiments in the stamp sets that will fit nicely. You could have congratulations stamped through the middle, happy birthday, you got thank you sweetie. See, the happy birthday would fit right in the middle. I might use that one, but there is also the stickers. So it's got the calories don't count today, but obviously I've got that on this side. Hey cupcake, like the smile. Now I think because I've gone quite bright with this blue, they don't quite, that one could go. The celebrate with cake could work. I maybe put that with a little bit of white on it. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. I think that's quite sweet actually. So yeah, you can stamp it, but I'm going to just try using this sticker. I'm going to give it a white border. Just stick out to a bit of card there. Yeah, that's cute. And I can add a few little embellishments on there as well. So I'm going to attach that with some foam pads here. There we go. That looks cute. It's a real vibrant card. So I'm going to use these yellow enamel dots either side. I actually think they work quite well. They kind of complement the yellow there, the yellow on the cupcake here. And then when it flips, yeah, I think that looks really cool. Decide I'm going to add two either side. Yeah, I think that looks really cool. There's the finished card. So that's you again using your 6x6 Fabulous Flip die set and the new Baked Delights and Goodies Galore stamp set. It's a really, really fun style. Like I said, room there to add more messages or a gift card. And then you've got all your space inside there as well, and it can be displayed like so, or you can lie it down and, you know, they can do as they please with it. It's a really fun style, this one. So thank you as always for watching today. All of the product that I've used you can find over on the Craft Stash website just here. It will also be linked individually in the description box below the video. If you've enjoyed today, you're not subscribed, click on my icon here and you can subscribe to the channel, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And I'll have some more flip cards coming up here that you might want to watch next. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.